What's the meaning of collaborate? Collaborate. Collaborate.
Collaborate. Collaborate. The term collaborate refers to the process of working together with others towards a shared goal or objective. It involves combining individual strengths and skills in order to achieve a common purpose. Collaboration often results in increased efficiency, as tasks can be divided and shared among team members, and also leads to greater innovation due to the exchange of ideas and perspectives. Successful collaboration requires effective communication, mutual respect, and a willingness to compromise and adapt. Ultimately, collaboration can lead to improved outcomes, increased productivity, and a stronger sense of community and shared achievement.